However, the baggage, if you consider the scenario of sirs, with the baggages of his successes, the UPSC uncertainty dragged him for so many attempts. But we come here with the success of your type, like come here and clear in the first attempt. However, luck favors the prepared only. Is it the only luck that favored you, or you want to associate some other terms with it? Like, what are the push, if you take the gist of whole preparation, what are the push and pull factors which helped it in, to clear in first attempt?
I think in my case, yes, I'll say luck favors the prepared. I really prepared very hard. I sometimes I was also thinking that I'm pushing myself too much. I think practicing multiple times is very important. I gave more than 60, 70 prelims tests because I had a extra time of 4 months because of COVID. So that time also I was consistently doing my prelims test. I had a habit of writing at one test every day, or at least 4 or 5 tests a week, when especially in those 4 months. And for mains also, I'll suggest that write as many papers as you can. For even for essay, essay is a very neglected subject. People don't understand that 250 marks are coming from there, and like it's very easy to prepare for essay. So people usually do is write 1 or 2 essay just to get a hang of it, and it's mostly related to GS. But I think you should write 5-6 essays before the paper. And about the early success, I think I got a little lucky. I would not say that because I have seen a lot of friends of mine, seniors of mine, which I believe that they were more talented, more capable than me to beat this paper. Sometimes circumstances happen where you cannot do anything. Even if you're very prepared for the paper, there would be days where you would just not perform. Or there would be something which you cannot handle. Maybe the other student who's sitting for the paper is just better than you. That you cannot control now. You can control your own performance, but if all the rest of the students who are appearing, if they are doing better than you and you somehow did not prepare as at par with them, then it's beyond your capabilities. So the first thing is you need to accept those days. The second thing is to improve your efforts, not get discouraged. I did not get the opportunity to fail on the final day, but I failed on various papers. All the mocks, all the coaching examinations, everywhere, I used to have a very tough competition, and every time I used to think that what are these students doing? How are they scoring so much? And why am I lagging? Why am I not scoring that much? And what I used to do, I used to go and talk to them. What are you writing? What are you doing? How are you managing? Or I used to see their examination papers, if available, or if he or she is my friend, I would see his answer sheets and understand what elements I'm not inculcating in my answer. I think this reviewing mechanism, doing yourself, like forcing yourself to this iterative process of feedback, just keeping yourself in loop with teachers, friends, and mentors, and improving yourself at every point of time is what this paper needs. Nobody is made for this paper. Nobody has a set personality to qualify this paper. Even after qualifying this paper, I cannot say that I had the set personality to qualify this paper. But just forcing yourself to improve, that is what is needed. And maybe if you continue doing this, maybe you could also do this in one attempt. I think I just got lucky, but